Hey YouTube, I got a problem here with my garage door. I saw something on doing a little research on YouTube. Looks like a quick and easy fix. I'm going to see if I can actually make it work. Let me show you the problem. As you can see, my cable here is off up there at the top. I don't know, it just kind of popped off somehow. I don't know if the door got twisted or what, but supposedly you can put one vice grip on this side, one vice grip on this side, lift up the door, put a cable back on, and then drop them off, take them off, drop the door down, all fixed. Let's see if it works. All right, so what we have here is we've got one channel lock on this side above one of the wheels. We've got one channel lock on this side below the wheel. Supposedly we can hook that cable back up and then undo it. Let's see if it works. Okay, I think I got this thing. Now let me first say, this was definitely not as easy as they made it out to look on the YouTube video that I saw. The problem was, you gotta keep this side lower than this side because this is the side that the thing came off of, the cable. I had to use all kinds of stuff to try to prop this up because this is not only a 10-foot wide door, it is a 10-foot tall door. So let me try and see if I got this completely on here. We will remove that one, and then we will remove this one, which wasn't doing anything at that point. And we'll see if I can raise this door. Ho, 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 ho. Look at that, folks. Comes down with a tug of the rope. And it closes perfectly. Outstanding. So while this was going to be a short, less than 1 minute video, it may end up being longer. A couple minutes, 3 minutes, because it does work. The process does work. Put one channel lock, put one vice grip above the wheel on the side that the cable is still attached. Put another vice grip after you jack up the side somehow, some way, higher than the side that is not broken or the cable is still attached. You jack up the side that you need to fix the cable on. Then you put the vice grip under the wheel so that this side, the side that needs to be repaired, is higher than the side that does not need to be repaired. And then looky there, it's back in there. Done deal. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.